All right, so we're at 40 yards with the 10-point VenomX, and pull the crossbow in tight, check the level, and here we go. Okay, that thing's hitting dead center, so I set that at 20, and it just hit low, so I'm going to let the left and right on there, and we're going to go up with it. We went 10 clicks. Well, I'm going to go 8 clicks. Whoa. I didn't have, I usually put the crank in first. Should have put the crank in first, I guess. Stink. I usually do that so it holds the trigger box back, but it's okay. It didn't do anything to it. All right, shot number 2 at 40 yards, and we moved it up 8 clicks. So let's see what we get. Again, shot process. Okay, I think we got it. I'm gonna take off 1 click. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and shoot one more. And then what we'll do is go to 50. We will set at 50, we'll set the speed ring. That's what Hawke says to set the speed ring at 50. You go from, get it on dead on at 40, and then you go out to 50 and set your speed ring. We will just double check, make sure 40, because that's important to get 40 dead on. So again, shot process. Oh, wow. Let's go down and take a look at this. They have bow hangers here, which are really nice. And the up and down, I think the Barnett shoots better than the 10-point, to be honest, but and look how easy that was. I mean, you can't beat this arrow puller. I mean, this makes it so easy. You just turn it, quarter of a turn. All right, so that's 40. Okay, we're at 50. And I am using my KM23 Neewer wireless mics today, and these things work pretty awesome. They are on sale. I checked yesterday, day before, I think. They were $26. That's 2 mics and the receiver and a hard case, everything. You can watch that review on my channel. But they had 20% off, so they were about 20 bucks right now. So, all right, well, let's get this cocked back. we're not going to use the scope adjustment. We're just going to use the speed ring. So we will see where this hits. I'm going to aim at the bottom of the tape. Oh, that's pretty close. We're going to check and we'll shoot all three. Okay. They are a little bit to the right. So we're going to move it to the left. But I'll tell you what, we'll go down here and look at it. But I would want to guess that's pretty good up and down. I think I hit low at 20. If I remember, I don't know. I can't remember where I hit. If I changed it at 40, I can't remember. Oh man, that's pretty awesome. Look at that. Look how tight they are. Here, let me bring you around and show how tight they are. Okay. That's 50 yards. All right, so we are at 30 yards. Sorry about the point of view not running, but I'm going to aim at the tape, the bottom of the tape, to get an up and down mark. And that little white spot below, I'm going to be aiming dead on at that. So go through your shot process, 30 yards. Okay, wow, it's low. 30 yards. Uh-oh. It didn't sound like it, but I just saw something flying and it looked fluorescent yellow. Hopefully I didn't take a knockoff. These stinking things are expensive. And I did. I just took a knockoff. I see it laying out here. Well, wait a minute. No, I don't think it did. When I put these on, I used a, boy, man, look at that group. It took a fletching off. Wow, look at that group. I mean, there's 3 bolts are touching. This one, I think it just came out. I'm gonna use quick dry glue, cyanoacrylate glue on these instead of the hot melt. Instead of the platinum, boning platinum. I wanted to try that because I didn't really want to, but I don't think because I really didn't want to have these in tight that I couldn't get them out, but I did the other 2 are in with cyanoacrylate, so I think it just popped it out when it hit it. And that's why, yeah, I'm pretty sure. I have to check the bolt, but well, this would be a true test of the Magnum Aero Puller. I mean, these things are stacked. They're like, they're touching. They're all 3 touching at 30. Dead center, but okay, well, there we go. It got it out of there. You wouldn't have got those out without this. That's 30 yards.